Safety and pleasant are added to relaxation in nature. Prefab dome house for glamping. Dome Island. The growing interest in glamping around the world leads to the emergence of glamping, which adopts a variety of materials and forms. You can see the new type of glamping housed in a dome and not in a tent or caravan canopy. This is a prefab dome house, a new type of glamping facility in Korea. Dome Island is featured in various media, and it is attracting attention from consumers. Dome Island boasts the safest dome-shaped structure against strong winds, heavy rains, and earthquakes. Good internal air circulation can create a clean indoor environment. The product specifications include a floor area with a diameter of 5,500 millimeters, a height of 3,460 millimeters in the center, and a weight of 800 kilograms. Dome Island's products boast simple assembly. At least 2 adults are required for assembly. Ladder and electric drill are essential tools. The block of the dome consists of a base, a cover, and a door. A total of 94 blocks are combined to complete the product. It is a block-shaped modular structure that allows free assembly, disassembly, and movement. Dome Island uses a non-toxic, eco-friendly synthetic resin. Surrounded by a solid exterior wall material and a layer of air, it is a prefab dome house for glamping that is optimized for waterproofing. By applying the patented triple blocking bonding method, it fundamentally blocks rain, wind, and moisture. It is very effective for warming. In addition, it is a material that does not spread because of its self-extinguishing properties, which guarantees fire safety and does not emit toxic gases. The interior area of Dome Island is 23.1 square meters. It is a dome house where you can create more cozy and unique feelings and memories than pensions, resorts, and hotels. The components of Dome Island are safe to use in terms of safety and durability. In addition, windows and doors can be customized to fit your needs. Kitchen, bathroom, toilet, bedroom, meeting room, living room. Everything is contained in one space. Dome Island that can be applied to various places. Our brand is constantly growing amid changes in camping culture. The nobility in camping. A complete revolution in outdoor living. 23.1 square meter prefab dome house. Its grandeur embraces the convenience of the pension.